Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I want to show you how to disable comments on your TikTok videos. So let's open up your TikTok app. Now tap on me at the bottom right and then tap on a video where you want to disable the comment. Then tap on the three dots at the bottom right. Then tap on privacy settings. Now from here you can toggle the switch to not allow comments. Then tap on X to confirm your changes. And there you go, that is how to disable comments on your TikTok videos. Hope this video has helped you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel to show me your support. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.